everyone, today I'm outlining my path holder with a circle. Then I started cutting it out and also following the pattern. Then I started to cut some smaller pieces of that same material and then make it stuffing for my pot holder. And I started to sew it together. And I also add a design to it. Then I started to add an then I sew an handle to it. And it's also made out of the same material like the one that I'm doing, so it's just the same material. Then let's look at the finished product after I cut the thread. Now here we have a pot holder and it's pretty good and cute, so I like it.